Scotty, we've been busy this morning. What the It's Monday, and he's, Scotty's...
I kind of slept.
Scotty's on one. So, I'll show you guys some things. I want to turn the camera around here in a minute. We got the cooling system all wrapped up.
Yep, completely.
The cap in the top highest point on the hose. I'm pointing at it. See it right there. Woo! There you go, Vanna. Cooling system's filled. I trimmed the hose, kind of bent it around where it's nice. Styling.
Profiling.
Need help keeping these alligators down. Woo! Okay, we went way Ric Flair there.
Oh,
anyway, so I'll turn the camera around and show you guys. Got that going. A couple things I want to touch base on the carb and the rest of the engine bay stuff, but we're almost done under the hood. Finally. So I'm going to flip this camera around and we're going to have a conversation. First order of business
is we pick up our tools that we forgot and we
forget
put them
it.
back
I knew
in
my
our
knife
pocket.
was there. You know
and
why?
We put them back in our pocket. It's a knife. Knife safety rules. We pay attention to those. Because if not, I'm fixing to cut a bitch.
What about handgun and waistband? What's the safety rule on that?
My hand's not on it. That's why it's safe.
Exactly. Anyway, I'm sure we've pissed off at least 50% of our viewers, but whatever. Doesn't matter. So, Mo, when you check your coolant, you will be doing it all here at this point. This is your 19 PSI cap that was on your system originally. It was over here. This is now, I know.
It was there.
Yes, it was over there. He
Now
knows.
it's there.
He knows where the fuck it was. Anyway, it's up here. 19 PSI cap. That is your fill point. And you want the highest cap on your system to be the lowest pressure because you want it to vent at the top. This is kind of like a race style setup. Like my car has, it's like a box right here with your hose and then my cap's here. This is just easier for your car for fitment reasons because of how your hose is. So you fill here. This is a very heavy cap. Notice 29 to 31 pounds. It will never reach that pressure because this one will blow long before. So this is just kind of like a seal. So we fill here first, top it, then we top it here. As long as this thing doesn't puke its guts out entirely, you're only going to need to top it here. So, cooling system, done. What else I want to touch base on? Oh, your choke. I want to make your choke work right. It doesn't even work right now. It's just locked open. So I want to get the correct electric choke, because while we're in here doing wiring and doing things nice, we might as well get it to be a nice electric choke, get everything to work properly.
And while we're at it, I'm going to take that piece of crap off.
Yeah, get that shit out of here.
Yeah,
and
shit.
This is for a mechanical choke with a cable, and then they just took a rod and somebody was on meth. Oh my God, look. Ew.
Wait. Do that again.
That's right.
Why is that not closing all the way?
You don't want it to close all the way. You can adjust it anyway.
Okay, so.
It's all adjustable over there. Don't worry about it. You gotta pull this out. Get this out, put that screw back in.
Torx.
And leave this be. Let it be. PCV system. It just vents to atmosphere right now. We are going to make that correct and actually work right. So that's going to get done too. AC hoses, we are dealing with that situation. And then, of course, your heater is all done and good and filled. We do, when we get the car running, need to turn the heater part on because it has a valve in there, remember, Scotty?
Yes, correct.
And we got to get it to circulate. And then we will probably burp our cooling system then and be done.
Done.
But this is looking good, looking great. I'm going to get in here and start wrapping up my wiring because we actually have time today to work on Mo's car all day.
Yes. Thank God it's only taken us, what, 2 weeks-ish?
Yeah, because we've been just kind of sporadic on it because we've been prepping for the show.
Yeah, because everybody's just
Casual
bombarding us.
concourse.
It was what? Was it 7 cars in 2 weeks or 8 cars in 2 weeks?
Probably closer to 11.
Oh, no, that's right, yeah.
We had Tim's cars too, and Wick's cars.
Yep.
Even though
And then
none of those are going to the
emergency
show.
one Sunday.
Yeah, you had an emergency one. Oh, we both had an emergency one because I had Ashley's car. I had to do those.
Yeah, that's right.
I had to do those arms,
She had to get hers ready for the show as well.
or at least to get to the show, because she
Yeah,
couldn't even go to work.
Yeah. Damn.
So it's been crazy. Crazy. I'm also going to build that fuel line today. The fitting hasn't came yet, but I can get it all routed and leave that raw. And then, woo, baby, I like it raw. Anyway.
Hey, I'm looking for a new job. No.
Scotty's not excited about me liking it raw. Anyway, so I'm going to get the hard line made up. And when the fitting comes in, I'll finish that end. Get that done.
Where's our Torx?
You're a Torx.
Well, I'm a lot of things, but that, you know.
So that's going. So it's going to be basically wiring, AC lines, make
More
our fuel
wiring.
line, more wiring, get the choke right. It's a process, but we want this car to leave perfectly. Perfectly, I tells you, Scotty. Perfectly.
Perfectly.
And we want Happy Mo. Happy Mo.
Happy Mo, happy Mo. Oops.
Oh my God. It's Monday. Someone's jacked up.
Yes, I've had 2 Red Bulls and a cup of coffee. And I barely have a cup of coffee.
That's cheaper than cocaine. Anyway. Coming
We'll
along.
talk about illegal things here in this shop. This shop is nothing but the best. Until somebody's not looking.
There's beer in the fridge. Anyway. I've discussed making this into a bar on the weekends. Anyway. Yeah, so. Getting stuff done. Well, it took 3 of us. Well, technically 4, because Paul's cheering us on. Woo! Look at that.
I got dirty meat.
Yeah, Peter's got dirty knees. Take that however you want.
Dirty knees and they're dunder cheap.
Nice if I got to enjoy it.
Oh, man. But it's in. Thanks, team.
Well, I'm glad I came by.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
Woo!
I just gave you the encouragement
Yeah, motivation.
and motivation.
There we go.
Does this count as like a daytime supplement to class?
Yeah, this is the annex.
This is the annex. This is the advanced class.
Yes, I'll get
Advanced class. Woo!
Oh,
We're advanced
that
class.
remedial? That's
We
tonight.
charge for
Tonight.
That's tonight. Remedial,
Tonight's gonna be nuts.
remedial students come tonight.